Hey guys, I have good news for you. I'm here to tell you that you have to stop searching for ways to make money online. I have the solution to your problem. So please, watch the video and you'll understand why.
Hey, congratulations to you that you have a chance to access my online business blueprint, but make sure that you reach step number 1 to 3 above in order to claim your free access. Very simple, just go to your inbox and confirm your subscription to allow me to have permission to send my free access to you. Anyway, please watching this video until the end because I'm going to reveal a big credit to you. Make sure that you stick with it. So, I believe you are here with me right now because you want to get out of your struggling with your financial problem and find a way to generate passive income to you or to your family and start paying off the bill by earn a few hundred US$ every single day without working and have time to spend with your family. And I can promise with you that the online business blueprint that I give to you will help you to generate a few hundred US$ every single day as long as you take action with what I give to you. But some of you may not take it seriously because it's free. But guys, please take it seriously like you pay 5,000 US$ for this blueprint. Because I done all the heavy work for you, including internet marketing structure, what you going to say with this or that. Completely easy, just edit the text, image and upload the file, then you're ready to go. But some of you might say, I don't have any experience that relate to building a website, coding or IT stuff. But guys, don't worry, this is 2020. I use a software called ClickFunnels that allow me to build the sales funnel less than 2 hours. Completely easy that everybody can do it. If we compare with 10 years ago, building a sales funnel need to take at least 10 days. But right now, building a sales funnel, a guy like me has no experience on building a website, coding or IT stuff, can build a sales funnel less than 2 hours. Just drag and drop the image, tag and upload the file, click save and then you're ready to go. Sound easy, right? Yes, I know. But listen, ClickFunnels doesn't pay me to say this to you guys, but the reason why I'm saying this because some of you texting me, and this is the funny thing, ClickFunnels is not free. Yes, ClickFunnels is not free. It is monthly free software that you have to pay every single month if you are using ClickFunnels. But it's not expensive as using and you can afford it too. But the problem is your self-limiting belief telling you that you cannot do it when you can spend on another useless stuff more than paying this monthly software. Let me tell you the reason why I'm using ClickFunnels. It's not just make me build a sales funnel easily, even 10 years old kid can do it, but it also allows me to give you 14-day free account for free and access to Funnelflix, which is the biggest education platform on the internet. Even Tony Robbins collection video on the Funnelflix too. Guys, a monthly software that less than $100 allow you to watch Tony Robbins collection. This is amazing, right? I know, but the most beautiful thing about the ClickFunnels is ClickFunnels allow all the ClickFunnels users to share the template of sales funnel to another ClickFunnels user less than a minute for free. That is the reason why I'm able to share my profitable online business that I've been used for a couple years to you in 1 minute for free. Right now, just click download and it download direct to your ClickFunnels account. Easy, right? And this is the message that I want to share with you is, don't let the monthly fee holding your back, stopping where you are right now. When it's not expensive and it gives you 14-day free account, that means after on the day 15, they will charging you if you are using ClickFunnels account. Also, it is free cancel anytime. But guys, trust me, When people join the ClickFunnels, they never cancel because ClickFunnels is the best software on the internet. So don't let it be the wall that separates you to generate a few $100 every single day. Anyway, right now it's time for me to reveal the big credit to you. Are you ready for this? I'm going to reveal a program that taught me from where I become right now, and it will help you to speed up and scale your profit to 5-figure a month. And it's not just a program, but it's also a community to help each other to achieve 5-figure a month. And it's called One Funnel Away Challenge. Guys, I want you to picture that you are making 5-figure a month. What kind of life you want to be? How can you treat your family or your parents so well? Buy a big house, get a luxury car, or your dream watch. I don't know about your style, but I'm kind of Asian guy living with the Asian culture. Don't go much for the luxury stuff, but I do spend a lot of money that I generate from my online business to travel and learn from successful people around the world, such as Grant Cardone, Gary Vaynerchuk, Robert Kiyosaki, and another more on the live event. It sounds amazing, right? Yes, I never imagined that before. For me, the moment when I stop learning, my life will not grow in. So I'm going to leave my full story below if you would like to read. But guys, if you want to learn something, make sure that you learn from success people, from people who already been there, or from people who are the expert. And the One Funnel Away Challenge with coaching by Russell Brunson. If you don't know who Russell Brunson is a multi-millionaire, the expert on making money online since he was a teenager. Some people know him as the king of sales funnel. Guy, the king of sales funnel. Also, he is the founder of ClickFunnels too. Imagine if Mark Zuckerberg hosts an event that will help you to run the Facebook ad. How many people will show up? 1 million, right? Yes. But some of you might think, it sounds a little bit expensive to you. And the answer is no. If you decide to take action right now, One Funnel Challenge will drop a lot of bonuses and it came with you just $100. This is crazy, $100. And my recommend to you is take my online business blueprint first and start with the 14-day free account. But also you join One Funnel Away Challenge at the same time to speed up and scale your profit. And this is my guarantee to you. You cannot find this kind of program with just $100. But you can find this kind of program at least $5,000 with success entrepreneur like him. But if you think you have enough education related to internet marketing, just take my blueprint and generate passive income. That is your choice. So click on the button below to join One Funnel Away Challenge to speed up and scale your profit to 5-figure a month. My name is Ratir and I hope to see